So just a quick tip here on how to make Serum velocity sensitive. I wanted to make it sensitive for one of my womps and one of my sounds. I'll just show you what I'm trying to change, and then I'll give you a demonstration of how to do it. So I wanted to make this womp velocity sensitive, but I'm gonna show you on a much simpler patch. So here we've got I'm going to convert this into a sine wave. So I'll just come here to the default, go to basic shapes, and then I get a sine wave. So here are two C notes. One is at 25 and the other is at 101 in its velocity. So if I just play this in cycle, you'll hear no velocity sensitivity. So they'll play at the same volume. Now, the part that controls velocity is here, this velocity source section. And the part you want to map it to is basically the oscillator's level, the loudness of the oscillator. So if I take this and I drag this onto this, it makes it sensitive only for this range, which is not exactly what I want. So what I'll do is I'll take this all the way to 0. And then I'll increase the range to be 100%. And now I'll be able to see here, even on this level meter, what level it's going to hit the velocity at. Now we can hear the difference. And I can do more refined gain staging work. If I have a note that's too loud or one that's not loud enough, I can start to control them from the velocity from now on. And you can go ahead and map these. I mean, you can do more fun curves and things like that to change the velocity, but I find this to be the most straightforward and simple way to get my Serum patches to be velocity sensitive. Hope this helps you out. If you're interested in learning more about music production, do visit the link in the description if you're interested in learning with the community of people.